That's easier than that looks. Okay, get that all the way up. Now, just so you know, we're supposed to put nuts on here to hold it tight. There is not enough room if I put nuts on that and then put this OEM filter on there. I'll have fuel running out, but this way it seals it up. And I have to force it in and then back to line it up correctly. And you don't want to over tighten this filter. Bad idea. It'll distort it. I run it all the way in till I get some resistance, and then just a tad more. Yep. Okay. And I can see my little spring is in the right place down there. It's not a good idea to take that for granted. And before I tore it down, this got a continuity test. All the wiring did. So all that troubleshooting that I did before counts still. Okay, so we have it now. We are ready for to hear this thing make some noise.